this unusual, first time ever experience. My whole body feels wonderful, and the energy coming and going was just fabulous. The many times during the session, my whole body was vibrating. It wonderfully so, just open, and it was just, I've never had an experience like this before. I've done some healing work where I've had people do healing on me, but this was just the best ever, and I will do it again in this lifetime.
This is called the pure alignment.
Pure alignment. That is, yes, that's what it does. It makes you just feel centered. From top to bottom. It really is amazing.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
How do you feel in this body now?
Really good, it has been, good experience. I really like it. I want to do one, more when you come here.
Yes. You're feeling light in your spine?
Yes, very nice.
Yeah, how does your head feel?
It's good, I had a pain in my body. Now I feel relaxed, Yes.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you, Neelakshi.
God bless.
How do you feel in this body?
Good, very light now. It is amazing. I feel amazing.
You came with so many pains.
Yes, and no pain now.
Yeah?
Yes,
How is
I
your
read off
spine?
from pain. Yeah, good, very
Hips?
good.
Yes.
Everything is amazing, I feel really free,
I'm so happy for your state right now.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. You did great job.
Thank you, dear. Hello, Cheryl. How do you feel in this body?
Feeling awesome. Very relaxed,
Beautiful.
peaceful, hopeful, thankful.
Thank you for being here.
Yes, thank you.
Celebrate.
Yes. Thank you.
How are you, Twyla?
I'm doing great.
How was the session?
It was invigorating.
Yes? How do
Yes.
you feel in this body right now?
I feel good. We're happy.
Very happy? You're light?
I feel light.
Yes? Joyful?
Yes, I do feel joyful.
So beautiful. Take care, dear. How do you feel in this
I
body?
feel alive in my body.
So happy for you, Vivian.
Likewise.
So lovely to hear from you. And I'm so glad that you're so receptive. It's a beautiful feeling to be in this state, isn't it?
Yes. That's the state, receptiveness, not perceptiveness.
Yes, beautiful. Sheila, how do you feel in this body right now?
I feel wonderful, balanced, and relaxed, lighter. Thank you.
Good. How does your hip feel?
Feels light too. Aligned. Feels
Yes.
good.
Beautiful. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
I feel very happy and very light. And these are tears of release. And I'm so happy I made this appointment and I got to meet you. Thank you so much.
I know you came with no expectations. So how's it feel being here?
More than I could have expected, because I just want to let the universe give me what I needed today and not have any preconceived notion of what.
How does your body feel right now?
I feel energized but calm at the same time.
It's so beautiful. Stay connected.
Thank you so much.
Hello, dear. How are you in this body?
Much better, thank you.
Your hips are opened up.
Yes.
Good to know that, and I'm glad you're here to receive. Thank you for being receptive.
Thank you for sharing your love with me and your powerful energy and helping me to feel better. I'm very
you,
grateful.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Hello, Ruben. How do you feel in this body?
I feel very light right now. I feel like I have no physical body. It's just a floating spiritual body.
How does your spine feel?
My spine feels very nice right now. It feels very good. No pain. No pain.
Very good. I'm glad you received.
I am also. Thank you very, very much.
Take care, dear.
I'm eternally grateful.
Thank you. Hello, Cheryl. How are you?
I'm fine. Much better now. Thank you.
You can feel the flow in your spine,
Yes.
around your waist.
Yes.
There's tremendous shift in you.
Yes.
Yes, I see you glowing intensely. I'm glad you connected.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you. You too.
Hello, Masha. How are you?
I'm very well, very honored and pleased. And fate works in our favor. It just put me here right next to you. Unexpected, but very expected from above.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you for seeing me. And I know that this connection will be very meaningful in my life.
You will ascend.
I only seek one thing, the connection,
Yes.
the true connection.
Bless you.
Everything else I've seen, I've been not interested anymore.
Take care.
But
my
you
dear.
have the world at your feet.
Thank you, dear.
Plant a good seed.
Yes. Thank
Make
you.
it a better place.